Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 84. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Who among the following poets used to write the Urdu Ghazals with the pen name Asad? The correct answer is Mirza Ghalib. His original name was Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan, but most of us know that Ghalib was his pen name. Before Ghalib, he wrote with the pen name Asad, which means a lion. He was honored with the title of Dabir-ul-Mulk by Bahadur Shah Zafar II. When another title, Mirza Nosha, was given to him, he came to be known as Mirza Ghalib. Which among the following is correct about B group vitamins? B vitamins are a class of water-soluble vitamins that play important roles in cell metabolism. Though these vitamins share similar names, they are chemically distinct compounds that often coexist in the same foods. In general, dietary supplements containing all 8 are referred to as vitamin B complex. So among these options, the correct answer is most of them are water soluble. A cotton wick dipped in pure honey when ignited with a matchstick will burn consistently. A cotton wick dipped in pure honey burns when ignited with a matchstick. If adulterated presence of water will not allow the honey to burn, it does produce a cracking sound. Clove is which part of the plant? Cloves are aromatic flower buds of a tree in the family Myrtaceae Syzygium aromaticum. They are native to the Maluku Islands or Moluccas in Indonesia and are commonly used as a spice. Which among the following is not taken into account while choosing the orbit of a satellite? The correct answer is mass of the satellite. It has no effect on planning where to put the satellite. The advantage of having a satellite in one orbit rather than another orbit usually depends on its inclination. That is the angle at which a satellite's orbit is tilted in relation to the Earth's equator. When engineers are designing a satellite and designing its functions, they must choose an orbit that is appropriate to its function. Lightest and the most abundant chemical element, constituting roughly 75% of the universe's elemental mass, is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, accounting for about 75% of its normal matter that was created in the Big Bang. Helium is an element usually in the form of a gas that consists of a nucleus of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So helium is the element next to hydrogen in the periodic table and it is also abundant. However, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. How many pairs of ribs are there in a human body? There are 24 ribs or 12 pairs, out of which only 14 or 7 pairs are true ribs. You can see in the diagram there are 24 ribs. 1 to 7, the pairs 1 to 7 are labeled as true pair, while the rest are labeled as false ribs or floating ribs. So the correct answer is 12 pairs. Who started the process of decentralization of finances in India? The correct answer is Lord Mayo. Lord Mayo or Lord Nass served as the 4th Viceroy of India from 12 January 1869 to 8 February 1872. He started the process of decentralization of finance. In foreign affairs, he followed the policy of non-intervention. He opened up the Mayo College in Ajmer for educating children of the aristocratic families. India's census began during his tenure. He was the first Governor General to be murdered by Pathan Sher Ali in Port Blair while he was still in office. Consider the following. Wholesale price index number 1, number 2 consumer price index, number 3 national income deflator. Which among the above can be used to measure inflation? Many measures are available for measurement of inflation. For example, wholesale price index, that is option number 1, which is on a point-to-point basis and on average basis. Consumer price index, which is option number 2, or national income deflator, which is option 3. So clearly the answer is all 1, 2, 3. The availability of these indices also differ from weekly to quarterly. The basic premise for linking with inflation is to ensure a positive real rate of interest to the investors. Which among the following awards are given to recognize outstanding worldwide achievement in the field of tobacco control? The correct answer is Luther L. Terry Award. Named after the late United States Surgeon General Luther L. Terry, MD, whose groundbreaking work established the foundation for public health scrutiny of the dangers of tobacco use, the awards honor outstanding leadership and accomplishment and are synonymous with excellence and signify that the recipients are among the very best in the world at what they do. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.